Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, well, this may not be overly clear to those who are reading the title, but 3 more years, the worse for wear. The reason that's in quotes is there's a great line from the song K-San by Cold Chisel when he says, 1 more year, the worse for wear, and I've been back to Southeast Asia and the answer sure ain't there. I've always really just kind of liked that, just that lyric. And I was thinking about it over this past couple of weeks, well, this past week specifically, when after Christmas, our offices were closed here in Thailand from Christmas all the way through to the New Year. And, you know, I'm basically making this video before we're even getting back to work. We're doing these videos before the work week starts and going ahead and getting back on top of things. As some folks may be aware, we sort of shoot a lot of these videos in advance. We went ahead and did that before going off on holiday. It's probably why some of the videos weren't as topical as they normally are. However, the reason for the video and the 3 more years as opposed to 1 more year, it's myriad, but I've had a lot of folks, clients and friends and things that sort of asked me in the past couple of months, specifically the past roughly 2 months, they've sort of said, you seem to be kind of at frayed ends here. And quite honestly, everybody in our office has been. Usually when we take breaks, and we generally tend to close for government and banking holidays in Thailand. And with the exception of Christmas, we do close for Christmas, as previously noted. Honestly, this past week, I can't tell folks how absolutely necessary this has been for me on a personal level. I didn't really realize just how overstressed, frankly, I was. And it's because, and I hadn't really taken a moment, and I hadn't really realized that my staff and everybody that works here in the office has been in much the same position, which is we've been going, and I mean going, full on, since really the end of Q1 2020, when things started shutting down and, excuse the language, but all hell broke loose in a sense, and, everything locked down. We went into quarantine. You couldn't get into Thailand. Then you could starting in April of 2020, but only limited people. And then, it was just very difficult. Certificates of entry, which turned into the Thailand pass, all sorts of bureaucracy, and not just straightforward bureaucracy, pretty Byzantine bureaucracy associated with Thai immigration. We've been going all the way through that. And yeah, we do close for the government holidays, but I'm here to tell folks, even though we may be closed, and even though, for example, I myself personally, very much so this is true for, I may not be, talking to folks by email or something like this over a holiday. I'm working. Just because I'm not there, it doesn't mean we're not, all of us too, multiple members of the staff here, the legal team, the immigration folks. I mean, we're still doing stuff. Just because the office may be closed down for government holidays, I'm definitely still doing things. And I can tell you from personal experience, my staff, they don't rest much either. This past week truly was a godsend. I didn't even realize how much it was necessary for me. And I can definitely say, I'm pretty sure for the staff, it's been very much needed as well. So we appreciate everybody's patience over the holiday period. We're getting things back going here in 2023, and we look forward to being of assistance.